In this lecture, we will be doing the churn predictions using the H2O AutoML. So if you have not installed the package for H2O AI, go ahead and do the conda install for H2O. Then I'm importing the H2O package, and also in order for me to execute the pipeline using the AutoML, I need to import H2O AutoML from h2o.automl. Once I import these packages, I would call on the constructor of H2O the init method, and if I do that and run the cell, I can see that the properties of my H2O cluster, which is the uptime of the clusters, the cluster time zone, and then bunch of other several properties. You may be interested to know what are the different cores allocated to the H2O, and as well as which Python version it's utilizing right now. So now that we have that, let's simply go ahead and import the dataset. So in the next one, I'm doing import file on the object called H2O. My file name is churnmodeling.csv, which is available in the resources. Go ahead and import it. And if you import this dataset and do df.head, you can see these are the bunch of columns for the row numbers. We have customer IDs, the surname, credit score, age, tenure, balance, and bunch of all these numerical columns, which is related to number of products, is active member, and estimated salary, as well as the exited. So basically we have to make the prediction on whether the customer is gonna be exiting the marketing strategy or not, right? So as far as this data is concerned, we should make the right predictions. Now, since we have imported our data set, the next is to go ahead and basically train our data set. So let's combine the next lecture and tune in for the next exercise. Thanks for joining.